Africa is the world's second largest and second most populous continent, located primarily in the Eastern Hemisphere. It is bordered by the Mediterranean Sea to the north, the Red Sea to the northeast, the Indian Ocean to the southeast, and the Atlantic Ocean to the west. Africa is a diverse and vibrant continent known for its rich cultural heritage, natural beauty, and significant contributions to the human history. Africa is a home to 54 recognized countries, each with its own unique culture, languages, and traditions. The continent is incredibly diverse, with over 2,000 distinct languages spoken and a variety of ethnic groups. The most widely spoken languages include Arabic, Swahili, Hausa, French, and English. Certainly, here is a list of all recognized countries in Africa as of September year 2021. Algeria, Angola, Benin, Botswana, Burkina Faso, Burundi, Cabo Verde, Cameroon, Central African Republic, Chad, Comoros, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Republic of the Congo, Djibouti, Egypt, Equatorial Guinea, Eritrea, Eswatini, formerly Swaziland, Ethiopia, Gabon, Gambia, Ghana, Guinea, Guinea-Bissau, Ivory Coast, Kenya, Lesotho, Liberia, Libya, Madagascar, Malawi, Mali, Mauritania, Mauritius, Morocco, Mozambique, Namibia, Niger, Nigeria, Rwanda, Sao Tome and Principe, Senegal, Seychelles, Sierra Leone, Somalia, South Africa, South Sudan, Sudan, Tanzania, Togo, Tunisia, Uganda, Zambia, Zimbabwe. Please note that geopolitical situations can change over time, so it's always a good idea to double check for any updates. Geographically, Africa is characterized by a wide range of landscapes and ecosystems. It encompasses the vast Sahara Desert in the north, which is the largest hot desert in the world, as well as the lush rainforests of Central Africa, the grasslands of savanna, the highlands of East Africa, and the coastal regions with their beautiful beaches. Africa has a rich history that predates written records. It is the birthplace of humanity, with evidence of the earliest known human civilization found in East Africa. The continent has witnessed the rise and fall of powerful empires such as the ancient Egyptians, Carthaginians, Ghana Empire, Mali Empire, and the Songhai Empire. European colonization in the 19th and 20th centuries had a significant impact on Africa, leading to the establishment of modern nations and diverse cultural influences. Africa is blessed with abundant natural resources, including oil, gas, minerals, and fertile land for agriculture. However, the continent faces several challenges, including poverty, political instability, and underdevelopment in many regions. Despite these challenges, Africa has experienced economic growth in recent years and has a growing middle class, along with a rising emphasis on entrepreneurship and technological innovation. Tourism is an important industry in Africa, attracting visitors from around the world. The continent offers diverse attractions such as wildlife safaris in national parks and game reserves. Iconic landmarks like the Pyramids of Giza in Egypt, the Serengeti National Park in Tanzania, Victoria Falls on the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe, and the vibrant cities of Johannesburg, Cape Town, Nairobi, and Marrakech. Music and art play a central role in African culture, with a rich tradition of storytelling, drumming, dancing, and visual arts. African literature, including the works of Chinua Achebe, Wole Soyinka, and Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie, has gained global recognition. Africa continues to strive for development and stability, with efforts to improve education, healthcare, infrastructure, and governance. Regional organizations such as the African Union and the Economic Community of West African States work towards promoting peace, unity, and socio-economic progress across the continent. Overall, Africa is a continent of immense diversity, natural beauty, and rich cultural heritage that continues to shape its present and future. Since cut-off is in September year 2021, there might have been some changes or developments since then. Please comment below if there are updated lists of countries in Africa as of that time.